Firas wakes up early in the morning, feeling refreshed and ready for the day ahead. He gets out of bed and goes to the kitchen to make himself a cup of coffee. While he's waiting for the coffee to brew, he checks his calendar to see what he has planned for the day. He finds that he has a meeting at work at 9 a.m., so he quickly gets dressed and leaves his apartment. On his way to work, he stops at a local bakery to get a pastry for breakfast. He knows that he'll be too busy at work to take a proper break, so he wants to make sure he has something to snack on. At work, Firas has a productive meeting and manages to get a lot of important tasks done. He feels good about the progress he's making and is excited to see the results of his hard work. He takes a quick lunch break, but he's too busy to leave his office. After work, Firas goes to the gym to try out a new workout routine. He's been wanting to become more physically fit and feels like he's making a good progress. He works out for an hour, feeling energized and accomplished. After his workout, he takes a shower and goes home. After home, Firas decides to call his parents to tell them about his day. Firas says that he's thinking about visiting them soon. After he finishes his call, Firas makes himself a healthy dinner and watches a movie. He feels relaxed and content after a long day. He goes to bed early, looking forward to another productive day tomorrow.